Have you ever dreamed of hosting the perfect Christmas dinner with a table that dazzles your guests? Wondering how to create a festive table setting that's both cozy and elegant? Or maybe you're curious about the hottest trends in Christmas table decor this season? Stay tuned, because today we'll guide you step by step through the secrets of crafting a magical Christmas table that your friends and family will never forget. How do I add a personal touch to my Christmas table? Personalization is what makes your table truly memorable for your guests. Custom ornaments. Place personalized ornaments at each seat as keepsakes for guests. Handwritten notes. Leave small, heartfelt notes of gratitude or holiday wishes for everyone. Family traditions. Incorporate elements that reflect your family's culture, like specific colors, dishes, or heirlooms. Ready to make your table unforgettable? Explore all the products as seen in the video in the description. What are the essentials for a Christmas table setup? A great Christmas table starts with the essentials. These foundational pieces set the tone for your festive decor and ensure everything looks cohesive and beautiful. Tablecloth or runner. Choose a rich fabric like velvet or a pattern like tartan to instantly create a holiday vibe. Neutral tones can also work with pops of festive colors. Centerpiece. A striking centerpiece is key. Try a floral arrangement, a candle display, or even a simple bowl filled with ornaments. Place settings. Include elegant chargers, plates, and festive napkins. Don't forget the cutlery and stemware to elevate your table. Give your table a makeover. Hit that like and share button if you love these ideas. How can I add festive elements without overcrowding the table? Balance is crucial when decorating your Christmas table. It's all about finding the right mix of decor and functionality. Layering. Add depth by layering plates, napkins, and even placemats. This creates visual interest without overwhelming the table. Seasonal accents. Incorporate small festive touches like mini wreaths on plates or pine cones scattered across the table. Keep it functional. Ensure there's enough space for food and drinks. Decor should complement the dining experience, not disrupt it. Got your favorite accents? Share your ideas in the comments section below. What are some creative DIY Christmas table decor ideas? DIY decor adds a personal and charming touch to your table. It's budget-friendly and customizable. Homemade napkin rings. Use ribbon, sprigs of holly, or even mini ornaments to create unique napkin holders. Customized place cards. Write guests' names on ornaments or small chalkboards for a thoughtful touch. DIY centerpiece. Arrange candles, mason jars, or handmade garlands to craft a centerpiece that's uniquely yours. Check out more similar videos in the description for more DIY projects. What are the trending color schemes for Christmas table decor this year? Color is a key element of any decor, and this year's Christmas tables are all about creativity and sophistication. Classic red and green, a timeless combination that always brings holiday cheer. Add gold accents for a regal touch. Winter Wonderland, opt for whites, silvers, and frosty blues for an icy, elegant vibe, perfect for a modern look. Rustic neutrals, combine earthy tones with hints of gold or copper. Think burlap runners, wooden accents, and warm lighting. Love staying on trend? Save this video to your playlist for future inspiration. How do I create a standout centerpiece for the Christmas table? A stunning centerpiece is the star of your table and ties everything together beautifully. Candles and lanterns. Mix pillar candles with fairy lights or lanterns for a warm, glowing effect. Nature-inspired pieces. Incorporate greenery, berries, and pine cones for a fresh, natural look. Themed displays. Choose a theme like Nutcracker, Santa's Workshop, or Winter Forest and build a centerpiece around it. Want more ideas like this? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for weekly inspiration. How can I make my table kid-friendly, yet festive? Including children in the festivities doesn't mean sacrificing style. Fun tableware. Use Christmas-themed plates, cups, and utensils that are durable and fun for kids. Interactive decor. Add edible elements like gingerbread houses or bowls of candy canes to keep kids entertained. Safety first. Avoid sharp objects or candles within reach of children. Battery-operated fairy lights are a safe alternative. Shop for products seen in the video in the description below. We hope these tips have sparked your creativity and given you the tools to create a Christmas table that wows your guests. Whether it's a cozy family dinner or a grand celebration, your table can be the heart of the festivities. So are you ready to design the perfect Christmas table this year? Let us know your favorite ideas in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more festive inspiration.